Your cursor is in Y5.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to talk about ranking. What does ranking mean in Excel? And what does ranking mean in real life? Ranking is if you are trying to find the position of a data amongst a data set. When the data set is arranged either in ascending or descending order. Ranking is you want to find the position of a data within a data set in either ascending or descending order. And if you are to do it using sort, you will scatter the natural order of that data because sort will rearrange them based on the criteria you give. So that gives need for us to have the ranking formula or ranking function. Put your cursor in Y4 and put ranking there so that you understand what we're doing. Type ranking 1.4 as the heading. Very good. Very good. So put your cursor back in Y5. Put your cursor back in Y5. Very good. Very good. Now, type equal rank. The function is rank. Equal rank. Good. Open your brackets. The first thing you want to do is what are you ranking? You are ranking W5. So W5, comma, W5, comma, cell W5, comma, it has selected it for you, Abi. So you want to rank it between the orders to know its position. So you want to rank it between W5 to W14. So type W5 to W14. No, W5 first, comma, the number you are ranking first. You know, you want to see what is the position of one number among a certain set of number. If that certain set of number is arranged either in ascending or descending order. So after your rank function and you open your bracket, the first thing is which number do you want to rank? W5. Amongst which number, the data set now, W5 to W14. Very good. Comma. So the next thing you see now is order. You can see 0 descending, 1 ascending. If it is descending, it means the highest will be number 1. So type 0 for descending and close it and press enter. Let's see what happened. Which position did you return? Press enter. Return 4. Okay, format that in. Format from W5 to, from Y5 to Y14. No, Y5 to Y14. Remove the 2 decimal places and the dollar, because it's an ordinary number. It is not a currency number. Select it. No, select. No. Select that Y5. Select it down to Y14 and go to format. Press escape. Press escape. If you are getting that kind of thing, press escape. Good. So hold down your shift and drag it and hold it down. Very good. Very good. So right click and click format cells. Right click and click format cells. Very good. Format cells. Very good. So go to number formatting. Exactly. Put it in general or take it to general. Click on general. Take it to general. Very good. And click OK. Very good. Good. Very good. So it has returned the 4th position. Let's look at it. The highest is 455. That will be 1 because it's in this descending order. Are you getting it? The second highest will be 3608. That will be number 2 in descending order because the highest comes first. And the third one will be 288. So that one is number 4. That is ranking. Do you see that? Go back to that formula. Go back to that formula and change that 0 to 1, which means ascending order now, which means the smallest will be 1. Let's see the value it's going to return. Double click on it and change that 0 to 1. No, 0 is descending and 1 is ascending, and press enter. Very good. So in that sense, 240 will be 1. 240 because that's the least. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
331.20 will be 2. 346.80 will be 3. 361 will be 4. 503.10 will be 5. 1.250 will be 6. And that one will be 7. I will tell you the reason why you get the wrong answer. Don't worry. Your initiative is nice. You will get the correct answer. Don't change anything. Don't delete anything. Take it back to that 7. Take it back to that 7. I will tell you where the problem comes from. Now, click the second one. The one down. Double click. Double click. You will discover that instead of starting from W5, it starts from W6.
Yes, yes.
So W6 to W15, W5 to W14 is supposed to be in absolute referencing. So go back up and change it to absolute referencing. You will get it correctly. Go back to 7, double click. So change W5 to W14 to absolute referencing. W5 before the W $sign, before the $5 sign. Not that one. That one will keep changing, but it's the other one, the one that is comparing it with that will not change. W before the W, dollar before the W2. Dollar before the W2, the 2 W's. Hold on. Go back there. No, double click. Dollar before the W. W5. No. That is before the 5. Before the W. No, you are right. Return the dollar. You will put before the 2. Yeah, put before the W2. dollar 5. That's what I mean. Good. And dollar before the other W2. The one with 14. Dollar before the W2. Very good. So press enter now. Double click now. Let's see. You have it correctly. In ascending order. So the smallest comes first. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
So go back and go and change it to 0 again. That means descending and double click. Let's see. Press enter. So double click and let's see. Do you get that?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand ranking now?
Yes, sir.
That is how to do ranking with Microsoft Excel. So take time to learn and learn and learn. It's been a productive time with you. But take time to learn some of these things because you are getting advanced gradually. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
All right.